Hi everyone, and welcome to Wellness Wednesday. I have two favorite appliances in my kitchen, the Vitamix and the Instant Pot. And I was a traditionalist for many years with my stovetop beans and my stovetop grains. And during harvest, I found that this was one of my best friends. I really like to make sure that I always have grains or beans in the refrigerator to make up the burritos that I love to share with all of my staff. With an Instant Pot, this can happen in high quantities. And you don't have to have a lot of people that you're cooking for to enjoy the simplicity and the ease of an Instant Pot. Rancho Gordo beans are our favorites. We sell them here at the winery. We also have Rocket Salsa that we sell here at the winery. All you need to do is just take 1 jar of the salsa, a bag of beans, 6 cups of water, put it in this Instant Pot, set it for whatever the bean is requiring, and generally with the Midnight Blacks and the cranberries, you set it between 35 and 40 minutes. And within an hour to an hour and 20 minutes, you have an awesome pot of beans. And grains take even less time. They take between 18 and 22 minutes. So I just thought, as a Wellness Wednesday share, this is a great find if you haven't tried one yet. With the holidays coming, you could treat yourself, or you could treat a really busy family, friend, or colleague for that matter. So stay sure, strong, and steady. Keep trying new things, and remember that Instant Pot could be your best friend.